Hey YouTube, we're here with another gun review, and we're looking at the Glock 42. This is a 380 ACP Glock. I picked this one up a couple months ago from Bass Pro for around $4.29, I would say. I picked it up at the start of the pandemic. I've actually shot this quite a bit. In this video, I'm sorry I can't upload some video of me shooting it because of it's real hard to find 380 ACP ammo right now. But yeah, it shot great, performed really well, was real accurate, and I really like it. I'm excited to do this review with you guys, and let's get started. Alright guys, here we are with the G42. This is that 380 ACP Glock that I picked up from Bass Pro. This came with two 6-round magazines. And it actually came with this little speed loader. It came with the lock you see here and the trigger guard lock. Came with this nice case, which is pretty nice. You know, I just like when they include little things like that. Came with this bristle cleaning brush that I actually used, but I didn't really like because it was a bit tight for me. Had a real tight, you know, feel on the gun, and I didn't really care for that. But it was nice to get two mags. I went out and purchased a third one, and then on one of the mags that came with the gun, I added this right here is kind of a pinky extension. And this gave me the ability to hold two more rounds in the magazine. And as you can see, all of our mags are unloaded just before we start playing around here. And yeah, I really like this. This allows people, you know, with bigger hands to get their pinky on the gun. Me, I tend to have do have smaller hands, so it's not really a problem for me. But I just like that longer feel, more grip. It has real nice stippling, as you can see here on the Glock. Let's see how we look with the standard. This was the 6-round mag that actually came with it. See, when you see with the 6-round, my pinky, even though my hands are small, it actually tends to hang off the end. So with this other mag that I bought, it was nice that it had, this is still a 6-round mag, but it just gave me this little extra, you know, extension to have my pinky on, which is really nice. And like I said, I shot this gun. I shot probably over 100 rounds through it. It's really nice. It's a 3.25 inch barrel length. The weight is about 12.17 ounces unloaded. Loaded, they say around 15 or 16 ounces. I usually use this as my daily carry, and I got this holster from a friend, and I like this one just because it slides in real nice, real easy. This is a Blackhawk holster. I think I saw these online for about $20, and it's just real nice to be able to, you know, pull it out real fast. I also picked up, just to carry them kind of more on the hip, this Phobos holster. As you guys saw in my other video with the Taurus G3, I really like these Phobos ones. I just like how the gun, you know, snaps in. I like that feel. Pops out real nice, real easy. And then I was actually gifted this holster. And this one's more for a concealed carry. It rides on the inside of the waistband. I kind of don't like this one. Maybe it's because I'm skinnier or what. But it tends to, I just can't find that comfortable spot, you know. Maybe that's me. I'm still experimenting, but this is the one that I carry more often. What else can I say about this thing? It has the rear sights are, I'm not sure if you can see here, it's the not the 2-dot rear sight, but kind of like a attached bar white rear sight with the front white dot. A lot of people, I don't think, care for these, but me, I really don't mind it. It's real accurate. Like I said, it's not very snappy at all. You know, a lot of people think 380s, or some 380s like the Ruger, they tend to be they tend to be on the snappier side, you know. And this one just isn't. Maybe it's because of that increased barrel length or what, but Glock really did a nice job with this 380. It has no safety, which I like. I don't really care for guns with the safety, but it has that 3-system safety. So Glock says that if you drop this firearm, you know, it will not fire. And it also has this little indentation right here that, you know, if this isn't depressed in all the way, the gun's not going to fire. And then it has, from Glock's website, an 8.5 pound trigger pull, but some people say it lands around the 5.5. To me, 8.5 seems a little heavy because it feels real crisp, not hard at all, you know, not like a double action or anything like that. It's a real nice crisp trigger pull, real light recoil. I like the grip, I like the stippling, you know, just like the all-around feel of this gun. It's got the serrations here on the back. The lower half here is all polymer, and the top half here is I think kind of a, not stainless steel, but you know, some sort of blackened steel that Glock tends to do on their guns. It's real nice finish. You may see a little bit of wear here. That's from kind of getting the feel for these holsters. They all give me hell at first, but yeah, I really like this Glock. It you know, made a winner of me. It's my first one that I have, and I'm looking forward to getting another one. Alright guys, in this portion of the video we're gonna break the gun down. Now this is actually a little harder for me because I got small hands, but we're gonna first, you can see that the gun is unloaded, no mag in it. We're gonna rack the gun back, depress the trigger, slide slide the slide back to about this point, and you'll hear a click, and then depress the slide release here, and you can see it just popped right off. Slide it out. You have the lower part of the firearm right here. You have the spring, and you have the barrel, and it's pretty simple. You can see there's a little bit of wear and just some dirt here. I've definitely got to clean this thing. I try to keep them pretty cleaned and lubricated though. But now let's slide this back in and try and put it back together. Now the spring here, if you really look, has a little notch, and when I first put this together, it did give me hell because I put it together wrong actually, and let the spring's rear part sit on that upper notch instead of the lower notch. So just make sure you don't do what I did. And there we go. Let's see, let's make sure. There we go. We're in that lower notch there that it's supposed to be set in. Our spring is tight. Just wanted to make sure. And we'll just, you see these grooves or these notches here will line up with the notches in here. Just slide that right on. And good to go. Alright guys, so that was our review of the Glock 42, the 380 ACP version. Let me know what you guys think of this video. Leave comments. Please remember to like, subscribe, and leave reviews. Any feedback, like I said, is always greatly appreciated. And be sure to check back for our next video. I'm going to try and get you guys in the range to really see what these guns can do. And thanks for watching.